Here's a mobile work table that I made a few years ago. Obviously you can see it rolls around. It's meant to be used anywhere in the shop. You need a decent surface to pound on, or good solid table to work with. It's a fairly thick plate. I believe this is a 3/8 plate. Just scrap metal I got from somewhere. The legs are posts actually from a metal crate that a tractor comes in. I try to buy or use recycled stuff wherever I can. Also, the angle irons down there are also off the same crates. Casters are just some I bought locally. They're reasonably heavy. They're not the greatest, but they're heavy enough for this. It's just a regular vise, but what I've done here is, anybody who uses a vise much knows sometimes you got to work on the opposite side that you're working on. If you mount typically the vise in one end, sure enough, it's in the wrong place for some work. So what these tubes are slots for this vise to slide into. It's a bit of weight to it, so I'll pull it out. Sorry about that. There's the shaft that the vise sits on. It's just what it is a PTO shaft off a tractor, the both halves. So I actually have 4 of these outside pieces, and I can slide this vise anywhere I want. I'll take it into the bench in my shop, or put it on my table on either side. Now, I don't have my bench in the shop set up that way. Now it's on the other side. If you have something sticking out on this side and you want to cut it, of course you can't, because the table's in the way, or whatever you want to do with it. So this gives the option of moving it from side to side. I don't have to buy a bunch of vices, or I can take the vise right off and have an open clear table, which is really handy also. And as you can tell, it's full of junk already. Actually, I cleaned a bunch off for this video. Typical. So that's it. Just a little rolly table. It's really handy for whatever you want to use it for. I often use it for sharpening blades or doing whatever. Thanks for watching.